Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can create Belle on Dress to Impress. Super simple. You do not need VIP unless you want to use the rose property, but you're just going to select this hair, only bangs, and color it this brown. Go to updo and you're going to select this, and then you're going to color that brown as well. Then you're going to go to the wavy part and you're going to grab this, color it brown, and then I'm just going to use the accessory adjustment to bring it a little bit more back like this. And then on this one I'm going to do no bangs. Then for the fit, you need to have this one, color it this orange color, and then for this one colorate this yellow color, and then go back to that orange. Then for the fit, we are going to use the petal dress. Where is it? Oh, it's in codes. Here it is. No silver top and queen of flowers in that orange too. And then the last one, yellow. Then for the gloves, you can just use this one. No fur in that yellow. And then if you really want to add that kind of rose prop, you can use this one. This is a VIP item, but you don't have to, because it's optional obviously. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can create Belle on Dress to Impress. Super simple actually. You don't even need shoes because you can't see them. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!